In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload images on Slack, the ultimate guide. Uploading images in Slack is a simple process, but there are a couple of different ways to do it, and knowing these options can make your communication faster and clearer. In this walkthrough, I'll take you through each method step by step, and I'll also share a few tips to help your images look more organized and useful to your team. First, make sure you're in the right place inside Slack. Open the channel or direct message where you want to share your image. This could be a team channel, a project-specific channel, or a private conversation with a colleague. Taking a second to confirm you're in the correct space helps avoid posting something in the wrong place, especially if the image is sensitive or internal only. Once you're in the right channel or DM, the quickest method is to drag and drop. Find the image file on your computer, then click and drag it into the Slack message box at the bottom of the screen. When you see Slack highlight the drop area, release the mouse. Slack will automatically attach the image to your message. This method is especially handy if you have the image sitting on your desktop or already open in a File Explorer window. If you prefer a more guided approach, you can use the plus icon next to the message field. Click the small plus sign, then choose the option that says Upload from your computer. Your computer's file picker will open. Navigate to the folder where your image is stored, select the image you want, and then click Open. You'll see a preview of the image appear above the message box, confirming that it's attached and ready to go. Before sending, you have the option to add a message or description. This is a good habit because it gives context to what people are seeing. In the message field, type a short note explaining what the image is, why you're sharing it, or what feedback you're looking for. Clear descriptions can save a lot of back and forth later. When everything looks good, it's time to send. You can click the paper airplane icon to post the message, or simply press Enter on your keyboard, depending on your Slack settings. Your image will appear in the conversation, and your teammates will be able to view, download, or react to it directly from the thread.